Some organizations are desperately trying to adopt the Scrum framework in their organizations and stop with Waterfall model. But in some cases, this is extremely difficult. The first reason is related to the traditional governance process existing in these companies. There are companies that must follow a governance process that is conflicting with the Scrum model. The second reason is about the compliance process that these companies also need to be aligned. In this process, companies are required to demonstrate a set of formal practices to maintain their standards of quality and maturity. That's why the adoption of agile models in small and medium projects are relatively simple. But when it comes to extending the agile mindset to the entire organization, the problem becomes much more complex.